A federal judge in California strikes down a recent Biden administration policy that put more stringent limitations on those seeking asylum in the U.S.
It's a blow to efforts to reduce the number of migrants illegally crossing the southern border. Alex Cameron has the details from our News on 6 Washington Bureau.
Well, the administration, which has been battered by the right practically from day one over its border policies, actually came under fire from the left for this policy, which critics say is inhumane and a judge says is unlawful.
Do you swear or affirm under penalty of perjury?
At a Judiciary Committee hearing Wednesday, Homeland Security Secretary Mayorkas said in an immigration system Congress refuses to fix, this policy is an attempt at improving the asylum process.
To expand lawful pathways for individuals and at the same time deliver consequences for those who do not use those pathways.
But Northern California District Judge John Tiger said the rule requiring migrants entering the country in between ports of entry to have first sought protection in another country violates federal law, which allows anyone in the U.S. to apply for asylum regardless of their immigration status.
There's a lot of issues with the asylum policy that we knew were going to be challenged. The administration was overreaching.
Senator Langford's been one of the administration's fiercest critics on border security, but credits them for trying something to slow the influx of migrants. He says Congress now needs to act.
I have had some conversations with members of the administration just in the last 24 hours to say help us work on legislation that is actually in statute to be able to stop what's actually happening at the border.
Migrant encounters at the border are down. 144,000 in June was the lowest monthly total since Biden took office. But Langford says those numbers are still historically very high.
The numbers are still just epic high. While people are saying they're down, they're still at epic numbers now.
The White House says it will appeal the ruling. In our Washington Bureau, I'm Oklahoma's own Alex Cameron.